Hello friends, welcome to Olive IT Solution channel. I'm Ashfaq Mahbub, the host, produced you a tutorial based on HTML. Actually, I'm briefing about HTML from the W3 school. This is our fifth lesson. So let's try to understand HTML well. So first of all, we will learn HTML styles. The HTML style attribute is used to add styles to an element such as color, font, size, and more. Example: the red color, I am red; blue color, I am blue, and I am big. So try it yourself. We click here. Here is the code, and this is the output of the code. So we can change here these codings, and after clicking this run button we can see the output of those code. So I'm red. Actually this is the code. We change the name, color name, green, GREEN, and also I change green here, and then click on run. Yes, the output changed to green color. I am green. Okay, this is the way we can edit the HTML codes in the browser and W3 school platform. Okay, then the HTML style attribute. Setting the HTML setting the style of an HTML element can be done with the style attribute. The HTML style attribute has the following syntax: tag name, style, property value. The property is a CSS property, the value is a CSS value. You will learn more about CSS later in this tutorial. Now, background color. The CSS background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. Here is an example. Set the background color for a page to powder blue. Okay, here is the code, and we can click here, and here is the HTML codes, and here is the output. Actually we implement the style in the body tag, and the style is styles property is background color, and the value is powder blue. So you can see that this is the powder blue color background, and we can change the name powder blue to yellow, YELLOW. Okay, so then clicking on the run button, yes, boom, the background changed to yellow color. So we can understand background color, how to change background color. Or so next example, set background color for two different elements. Okay, this is the first element and this is the second element. So try it yourself. Here is the code and here is the output. So this is the heading, powder blue. Okay, the background of this paragraph, this H1 tag is powder blue, and the paragraph's background is tomato color. So we will change the powder color to yellow or green, GREEN, and the tomato goes to blue, light blue, LIST, light blue, BLUE. Okay, run. No, light blue is not the proper value, so I delete this and run. Yes, the blue color is here. So we can understand the system, how can we change the background color of h1 tag and paragraph tag. Okay, yes, that's nice. Now we are going to learn text color. The CSS color property defines the text color for an HTML element. Here is an example, try it yourself. This is the code and the output. This is a heading, this color is blue, text color is blue, and this is a paragraph, text color is red. We can change the red color and blue color. So red goes to yellow and the blue color goes to red. Okay, run and boom. Yes, we can understand this. Now the fonts. The CSS font family property defines the font to be used for an HTML element. Example. Okay, try it yourself. This is the code and this the output goes here. Okay, so this is a heading, and this font family is Veranda. Okay, and the another font family is Courier. So we can also change the font family value, Arial, ARIAL, and it goes to Times New Roman. The spelling, I think it has some spaces. Okay, run. Yes, this is the paragraph. This goes to Times New Roman, and this is the Arial font. We can change the font family. Okay, yes. Now goes to text size. The CSS font size property define the text size for an HTML element. Try it yourself. So this is a heading. Its font size is 300% and this font size 160%. Okay, so we can change the percentage to 500% and here goes to 460% and run. Boom. Yes, we can understand, and we can also change the color attribute here. So if I call COLOR and it goes to red, okay, and here also I can implement the color attribute and the value is green. Yes, we can see the output here. Yes, we can learn. Okay, fine. Now text alignment. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. Okay, try it yourself. So yes, this is a text alignment center. If I change this to left, left, and here right, RIGHT, then run. Yeah, this is left alignment and this is right alignment. But if we change this center, then run. Yes, the text alignment is center. Okay. we can check here. Okay, center paragraph, I change this left. Okay, left paragraph, and here goes to left, and I copy this and paste here, and I make this change right, and here also left, removing left, right. Okay, run. Yes, this is the left alignment and this is the right alignment. Okay, we can understand. Now we will go to chapter summary. Use the style attribute for styling HTML elements. Use the background color for background color. Use color for text color. Use font family for text font. Use font size for text size. Use text align for text alignment. Okay. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.